Hello friends, and not yet friends, welcome back to another What I Ate Wednesday, weekend edition, here on Mary's Test Kitchen. Weekends are for fun food, and all week I've been looking forward to trying the Viet Vegan's fluffy blueberry pancakes. So after my usual coffee, I started making the vegan buttermilk. Of course, if you want the amounts, you must go over to the Viet Vegan. I'll link the video and the recipe in the description, so head on over after this video. Separately, we mix the dry ingredients. I added cinnamon because I love it in breakfasty stuff like this, and I read it helps regulate blood sugar. How? I don't know. Go ask a registered dietitian, not me. Fold the wet and dry ingredients together. This is the key to fluffy, not gummy pancakes. And this is where gluten-free flours can actually be even nicer because they don't have the gluten that gums up and makes your batter heavy. But if you just fold, careful not to overmix, it's not a problem. And then I realized I was out of frozen blueberries, so we have raspberries instead, which I had because I just filmed something for my Hot for Food cookbook review that is coming out super duper soon. So hit that notification bell if you want to get notified when that comes out. And as promised, the pancakes are fluffy as fluffy can be. With vegan butter on top, and the best syrup ever, maple syrup. I might be biased. Yep, you should probably try out this recipe for yourself this weekend, or like today. I probably should have thought ahead with this super filling breakfast though, because I knew I was going to Cheap Lazy Vegan's SaVeg Cafe again. Last time I had breakfast there and tried a few different things, the breakfast bagel being my favorite thing that I still have dreams about, and the banana bread a close second. This time we ordered the bibimbap, house special, and japchae. For correct pronunciations, check out Rose's mukbang at her cafe, link in the description. Bibimbap is a Korean dish that literally means mixed rice. It's got mixed veggies on warm rice, and it usually has meat, but of course everything on the menu is vegan, so we have yummy lentils. The sauce is the taste maker here. It's so pretty, I almost don't want to ruin the look by mixing. But that's the way it's done, so... Delicious. A little spicy, but not super spicy. That's according to my friend who doesn't really do spicy food. But if you do want more spice, hit the condiments counter for sriracha and other sauces. Plus, check out this cute water container infused with fruit. What a nice touch! There's different milks in the fridge for your coffee drinks. The food is great, prices are amazing, especially for Calgary. The space is cozy and clean with lots of thoughtful little touches. I just love this place. The house special is sweet potato and tofu in a sweet, sticky, slightly spicy sauce on shredded cabbage with rice. From what I understand, they got the sauce recipe from Rose's aunt who had a fried chicken business in Korea, and now they've taken it for their own nefarious plant-based purposes. Except not nefarious at all, just the opposite actually. It tastes so good! The tofu is air fried, so it has that meaty consistency. but the sweet potato is my favorite part. Soft and just saturated with that sauce. Oh, it's so delicious. Finally, we have the japchae. The noodles are made from potato starch with this unique chewy texture. I love these noodles. Mine always clump up when I make them though, so it's kind of awkward to eat, but these are perfectly slippery, and the dumplings are little flavor bombs. I think this is my favorite so far. The flavors are light but savory, and it's got a little touch of sesame oil, I think. There are still a few menu items I need to try, but this was plenty, so I guess that'll have to wait till next time. As you could guess, this was plenty of food for lunch, and I had the leftovers for dinner. And that was my Saturday. What kind of fun vegan food did you get up to on the weekend? Share in the comments below because, well, I'm nosy AF, you guys know that. And subscribe if you haven't already for more vegan meal inspo and recipes. Thanks for watching, friends. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Next up, the Hot for Food cookbook review. Bye for now.